Hi, I'm Dan Rogers, CEO of Asana. We're entering into a new era where AI agents work alongside humans in the enterprise. We call this the era of the agentic enterprise. But today, businesses have a critical challenge with AI. Research shows that autonomous agents are failing 70% of the time with basic tasks. The problem isn't AI's capabilities. It's that autonomous agents is actually the wrong goal. At Asana, we see a future where humans and AI collaborate together because that's what's going to drive results. And at Asana, we do that in 3 ways. 1, we create context for the AI. This is context on the who, the what, the why, the where, so that the work can get done. We also can create checkpoints so that the human is always in the loop at those most important points to check on quality and to move the work along. And finally, that you need controls. Controls over who gets to use those agents, what the billing is associated with those agents, and that it follows all of the regular governance and controls that you have in place for your existing workflows. And this approach works for companies of all sizes, from startups to global enterprises to regulated industries. We're not replacing workforces, we're augmenting them. With Asana, small teams now have the mighty powers of large organizations, and every business can do more with the talent that they already have. This is how we strengthen American competitiveness at home and maintain our leadership around the world by empowering human teams to work alongside AI and execute at unprecedented scale. Thank you.